How to add product reviews on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add your own review widget for products on Shopify. Now, if we take a look at Shopify by default, it does not have the ability to add a review widget. And adding a review widget can be a really integral part for a lot of Shopify stores because reviews build trustability and they build a sense of community for people whenever they are browsing for products because they want to know what other people think and say about the product they are about to purchase. So, to add your own product reviews on Shopify, simply log on to your Shopify store. And once you're in your Shopify store, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on your bottom left, you're going to scroll down and click on Apps and Sales Channels, and then click on Shopify App Store. From here, there are several different applications available for product reviews. But for us today, we are going to be using the Judge Me product reviews application. Now, the reason why I'm using Judge Me right now is because they have a free version that works really well and is super easy to set up for anyone. Additionally, if you want photo or video reviews, they can also be added for free in the Judge Me widget. There are several other product review tools as well, so you can try those out if you want. But I'm going to be using Judge Me, and I'm just going to be clicking on Install. Once we click on Install on the Judge Me product reviews application, we're going to have to complete the installation process. So click on Install once more, and once you click on Install once more, you're going to have your Judge Me onboarding. Now, this includes setting up Judge Me, so I'm going to pin this to my navigation on the left, and then I'm going to click on Start Setup. You will see it will show you where you would like to install the particular application. So we're going to be installing in our current theme, and then just click on Start Setup. Then click on Enable App Embed. Once you do that, on the top left, you will see the applications on your Shopify store, and this is turned on, and then just click on Save on the top right. Then click on Continue, and then click on Install Review Block Widget. Once you do that, you will see the review block is installed, and you're just going to make sure that it's added on the bottom left. Now, for us, depending on where you want the placement to be, sometimes people prefer the related products to be on top and then the review section. Personally, I prefer the reviews to be right under the product, and then below that, related products are listed. So to do that, just hold the over here and move it above related products. Now, related products are going to show up at the bottom. Then click on Save. Once we've done that, we're going to go back into our original tab and then install the star widget. So once we click on Install Star Widget, the stars are installed at the bottom of the product. So these star reviews are added at the bottom. However, I don't like the star reviews to be added at the bottom. It just doesn't make a lot of sense. So I like to hold the star ratings and move them right under the title. So just hold them by these dots over here and move it right under the product title or the product text. Personally, I don't like the stars to be on top. That just brings all the attention away from the actual product. I like it to be listed between the price and the product name. Then click on Save on the top right, and then you can proceed into your original tab and then click on Continue. Then you have your branding. Then click on Finish, and once you do that, you can click on Explore Judge Me. Now, over here, we're able to also manage the review widgets that we've installed. So by default, we installed our widget in 3 places, but you can actually add it in several other places as well. So if we click on widgets on the left, you will see the review widget is added, the star rating badge has been added. However, Judge Me also includes things such as review carousels, showcasing reviews, all reviews page, verified review counter, and more. So let's say I want to add a review carousel to my home page. For that, I'm going to click on Install. Once I click on Install, this will open up the Shopify store editor. And as the Shopify store editor opens up, it's going to show me a review carousel right at the bottom of the page. Now, I can alter the position of this so I can put it anywhere. Currently, I do want it to be at the bottom of my page, and I can click on the review carousel and I have the maximum width as well. So we can increase or decrease the width as well. So we can go with 1100 pixels like this to make it slightly wider. And I'm just going to click on save. And just like that, our review carousel has also been added. Now, not only have we added these review widgets, but we can click on customize over here. And this is my basic review widget, which is going to be present at the bottom of every product. And I can change or alter the appearance of this as well. So on the left, we will have show review date. Then there are certain styles you can't change, but you have your primary color and star colors. So what you're going to do is click on your primary color and you can choose any primary color that you want. I'm going to be choosing a dark pink color for our primary color like this. Or you can click on reset to default, which is going to reset it to judge me colors. I am going to be using a pink, so we're going to be going into really nice red kind of pink. And once I've done that, I'm going to click on the star color, and I like to always set the star color as yellow. So I'm going to move it up over here. And once I've done that, I'm going to make it darker as well, like this. Now, once I've set up my star color, I can click on customize text. So we're going to first save our changes. And once we've done that, we can scroll down and our basic edits have been made. Now, below that, we can also choose to showcase Judge Me medals as well as allow reviewers to upload photos or videos. Depending on the type of product you have, you might only want photo reviews, but if you want to include video reviews, you can just select this option. Then below that, we also have the ability to choose our review source. And once we do that, we're going to click on save and our review widget has been completed. So now if I open up my online store over here and scroll down, you will see our review carousel. And then if I open up any product and scroll down, this is what the review star ratings look like. This is what the colors look like. So it has this really nice pink color and yellow color. And this is what our reviews look like. Now for further customization of any widget, you can just click on your widgets over here and then click on customize on that particular widget. You also have some marketing and social tools included in Judge Me, so you can add coupons, referrals, Google and SEO, as well as build your own social push. Then you have some general settings for your Judge Me review widget, such as your plan and the basic language that is being used, any integrations, and you can choose to upgrade your Judge Me subscription to remove the branding of Judge Me. So this allows you to build your own brand, grow your store visits, have unlimited essential tools with fair value, and you are able to get customized emails sent out to all of your customers every time they purchase a product, with automatic reminders sent out to your customers for them to submit a review. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with submission and creation of product reviews on Shopify. If you want to actually get reviews on your store, even if you don't have reviews already, you can use Judge Me's secondary application called Judge Me AliExpress, which allows you to import reviews from dropshipping supplier AliExpress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.